If I handed you a microphone and asked you to name some of your favorite interior design styles, your list might go like this: modern, mid century, bohemian, eclectic, Scandinavian, contemporary, industrial, and so on. And you would be exactly right. However, keeping this in mind, today's video is going to be about shedding light on some lesser known interior design styles. Remember, if you like any of these styles, to check the description box. I'll have some items in there listed that will really help you achieve the look at your home. Now, this is a style that a lot of people don't love, but the people that love it, love it, love it. It evokes the timeless elegance of old libraries and scholarly pursuits. Whenever I think of this style, I definitely think of Harry Potter and movies similar to that. Rich, moody hues such as deep burgundy, forest green, and navy blue dominate the color palette. The key here is the word dark. It creates this sense of intellectual depth. Now, vintage furniture pieces like leather armchairs, antique desks, and even brass fixtures add a touch of sophistication, a little bit of elegance. Books really play a central role here, lining shelves and ornate bookcases or stacked artfully on tables. Tapestry, wall hangings, Persian rugs, and classical artwork all contribute to the ambiance of a scholarly retreat. So overall, when you think of this style, you think introspection, intellect, and of course, literary charm. Jungle Glam home decor style combines the lush tropical aesthetic of the jungle with the opulent, luxurious elements of glam design. Rich, vibrant colors like emerald green, deep purple, and gold accents really create a bold and dramatic atmosphere reminiscent of exotic jungles. Just puts you in a relaxing state of mind. Plush velvet furniture, mirrored surfaces, and crystal chandeliers add a touch of glamour and sophistication to the space. Now, tropical or jungle motifs such as palm leaves, animal prints, and botanical patterns really infuse the decor with a sense of adventure and whimsy. Layered textures and sumptuous fabrics evoke a sense of indulgence and luxury, while lush greenery and tropical plants bring the jungle indoors. CottageCore home decor style exudes a charming rustic elegance reminiscent of idyllic countryside cottages. Soft muted colors like pastel pinks, creamy whites, and sage greens really tend to dominate the color palette in this style. It creates a cozy and inviting ambiance that really you feel as soon as you walk in. Vintage furniture pieces adorned with floral patterns and quaint details lend a sense of nostalgia and whimsy to the space. Natural materials like wood, wicker, and linen are celebrated. This is where they really reign supreme, which adds more warmth and texture to your room. Also opt for delicate lace curtains, like I stated, floral arrangements, and vintage-inspired decor accessories. This is the perfect look that you can create just shopping from items from a garage sale, thrift store, estate sale, etc. ForestCore home decor style draws inspiration from the enchanting beauty of the forest, which creates a cozy and serene retreat within the home. Earthy tones such as moss, green, warm browns, and deep forest hues dominate the color palette, evoking the tranquility and calmness of nature. Natural materials like wood, stone, and rattan are prominently featured, bringing the outdoors inside. Textures mimic elements found in the forest with soft wool rugs, rustic wooden furniture, and woven textiles adding warmth and depth to the space. Of course, add lots of botanical prints or plants, especially green leafy plants, to further enhance the woodland atmosphere. Okay, so here is a fun one to get into. MiamiCore home decor style captures the vibrant energy and eclectic charm of Miami's diverse culture. Bold and bright colors like turquoise, coral, and sunshine yellow infuse spaces with a really lively atmosphere. It's a style that's still emerging, so I have actually placed some curated boards here just to give you some ideas. Now, it's also a decor style that's colorful, Art Deco inspired, and really over the top. A top designer described it as a mix of coastal style, Golden Girls decor, and maximalist decor. It's definitely a trend that is bringing the heat, so expect to see this a lot more. Sleek modern furniture with clean lines and glossy finishes adds a really contemporary flair, while tropical motifs such as palm leaves and flamingos brings a touch of the beach indoors. If you are ever in doubt, just recall the last episode of Golden Girls you watched, and if it fits in there, it's definitely MiamiCore. Here's one that may not be too familiar to you, but it's an awesome one. This is all about Scandifornian design. Now, Scandifornian is a mix of Scandi or Scandinavian and Californian. This term was penned by interior designer and founder of Veneer Designs, Natalie Myers, who coined the term in February of 2019 to describe her style. She appreciated the minimal look of Nordic and Japanese design, but also enjoyed the warm, sunny feel of her California home. Now, Scandifornian is a modern style that combines Scandinavian minimalism with California warmth. It features neutral and earthy palettes, bright interiors, and mid-century flair. Thank you so much for watching, friends. Let me know down below in the comments section which style do you really resonate with the most. Now, if you want to see more videos, check out one of these featured here, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.